Assalamualaikum and good morning, madam. Today, me and my team will present about evaluation of natural color extracted from turmeric. My name is Amira Imani, Siti Nabiha, Siti Nur Aisyah, and Tengku Khalif Nur Alia. First, we have introduction, methodology, result, and conclusion. For introduction, turmeric is used as the main raw material to extract its yellow-orange color. The method used to extract color from turmeric are solid, decoction, and maceration extraction by using acetone solvent. Acetone is known as organic solvent, which is the best for the highest extraction yield. Hence, turmeric can be completely soluble in acetone. Maceration is chosen as one of the extraction methods in the research because it is expensive and popular. Curcumin usually performed in a closed vessel with branded plant material. Next, solid extraction is a common and popular method to extract a wide range of bioactive compounds with high efficiency from natural plants. The benefit of using solid method is instead of many portions of one solvent being passed through the sample, only one batch of solvent is recycled. Next, decoction method is used for harder plant material where they are left on the heat and simmer for a longer time. Next, for literature review. Food colorant is any dye, pigment, or substances that impart color when it's added to food or drink. Food colorants come in many forms consisting of liquid, powder, gel, and paste. Next, food colorant could be classified in two types, which were artificial and natural food colorant. Artificial color contain various chemicals and are commonly derived from petroleum products. The use of artificial food coloring has been commonly linked to numerous forms of cancer, along with hyperactivity and other behavioral problems in children. Last point, this project proposed to develop natural food coloring based on the increasing demand by consumer for naturally derived and safe food ingredients, absence of toxic side effects, and even health promoted by natural raw materials such as turmeric. Next, the objective of this thesis is to develop the food coloring by extracting the natural sources such as turmeric by using various methods of extraction. Next, to compare the color absorbance between artificial and natural food coloring. Next, I will pass to Nabiha.
Okay, for methodology, this thesis use extraction. Extraction is the method transfer of a soluble fraction in the form of a solution from an insoluble matrix using a suitable solvent. There are different types of extraction we use to extract color from turmeric, such as decoction, maceration, and solid extraction. Okay, next. For decoction extraction is boiling plant or herbal material to dissolve the chemical of the material. This method is used for extraction of the water-soluble and heat-stable. To produce the volume of extracted, the water will be boiled for 15 minutes, strain and pass sufficient cold water. Decoction includes mashing the plant material to allow for maximum dissolution, then boil in the water to extract volatile organic compounds, oils, and other various of chemical substance. The decoction method has been used to make herbal teas, coffees, leaf teas, and similar solution. Decoction also may create liquid with different chemical properties, as the temperature and the preparation difference has resulted in more oil-soluble chemical in decoction. Okay, for the next extraction is maceration extraction method. Maceration method is a traditional method which is popular and affordable. Maceration is usually performed in a closed vessel with crushed plant material. The method in which properly ground plant is placed or permitted to soak in a solvent for a specific period of time until the cellular structure is softened and penetrated by the solvent, and soluble constituents are dissolved and extracted out. In addition, this method of tincture production is officially used in the case of resin balsams, gums, and soap where the practical difficulties likely to be encountered in percolation would offset any advantage that the later process might pose. Okay, next. Okay, lastly, substrate extraction method. Okay. A substrate extraction is a form of continuous solid liquid extraction where the desired compound is extracted from solid material using a solvent. Solid is particularly effective where a compound has only limited solubility in the extraction solvent as the solvent is repeatedly reused during the extraction. Solid extractor is used to transfer the partially soluble component of a solid to the liquid phase. The solid is placed in the timber filter, which is then placed into the main chamber of the solid extractor. This device allows for continuous treatment of a sample with a solvent over a period of hours or days to extract compounds. Next, I will pass to Aisha.
Thank you, Nabiha. So I will explain about the result. Next. This is the actual value of color synthetic and the other one is the actual value pH of distilled water and acetone. Next. Decoction method for 4 hours use acetone as solvent have the highest color absorbance while the lowest color absorbance at 6 hours of extraction time. Then the table shows the lowest pH for decoction method use acetone as solvent at 4 hours of extraction time. Then the highest pH was decoction method that used distilled water at 4 hours. Next. For maceration method use acetone as solvent at 4 hours of extraction time have the highest color absorbance, which was 3.894 ppm. And the lowest color absorbance was maceration method that used distilled water at 6 hours. For the lowest pH was maceration method that used acetone at 4 hours of extraction time while using distilled water of maceration method at 6 hours. Have the lowest pH which is 5.94. Next. Lastly, Soslett method use acetone as solvent at 4 hours of extraction time, have the highest color absorbance which is 4.00 ppm, and the lowest color absorbance was extraction method that used distilled water at 6 hours extraction time which is 0.0696 ppm. The lowest pH for Soslett method using acetone at 4 hours of extraction time is 3.89, while Soslett method that use distilled water at 6 hours of extraction time have the higher pH is 5.68. So the solvent type of the extraction time for type of extraction method will influence the extraction and the result of analysis can also be different. Then thank you. Next, Khalis will explain for the conclusion.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Okay, for conclusion. Okay. As a conclusion, the natural colorant extracted from turmeric has been implemented by using various methods. The 3 different methods, which are Soslett, macerations, and decorations, produce different quality and quantity of turmeric extract. According to the result obtained, Soslett method produced the highest color absorbance and nearly close to actual value comparable to other method, which was 4.00 ppm. Therefore, the comparison of color absorbance between artificial and natural food colorant was achieved by comparing with this data. The consumer will not be having any doubt to choose natural food coloring as daily food additive. This natural colorant produce the same color absorbance with artificial colorants. Next. Okay, for recommendations, these ratios can be further explored using food grade acetone to be safer for the consumer.
Moreover, the technology can be verified by using accelerated solvent extraction, which is ASE, and microwave assisted extraction, which is MAE, method to extract the color. Both digital methods are the best method to reduce time and more accurate result than the manual method. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank